The these points clearly discussed in previous class, but for revision purpose, we also discuss this point today also. That first point is insertion point is the place where the next character typed from the keyboard will appear on the screen. When you type with the help of keyboard in a word, you see the blinking line is appear in front of you, and your character start typing from that place. There is the blinking line is appear, मीन्स जहां पर आपका इंसर्शन पॉइंट ब्लिंक कर रहा होगा वहीं से आपकी टेक्स्ट जो भी आप करेक्टर टाइप करोगे, आई थिंक कोई भी वर्ड्स टाइप करोगे वो उसी पोजीशन से टाइप होना स्टार्ट होता है जहां पर भी आपका इंसर्शन पॉइंट आपके पेज पर आपका होता है। ओके, अब बाय डिफॉल्ट फर्स्ट टाइम अगर आप अपना वर्ड ओपन करते हो यू सी योर इंसर्शन पॉइंट ऑन टॉप लेफ्ट साइड। आपका इंसर्शन पॉइंट कहाँ पर ब्लिंक कर रहा होता है? वर्ड इन अ पेज व्हेन यू फर्स्ट टाइम ओपन योर वर्ड एमएस वर्ड, anytime you see fresh page you open, you see your insertion pointing in blinking on top left side. Okay, this is your insertion point. You can also move your insertion point up or down in your document, okay, with the arrow key or with the help of your mouse. Okay, the second point is word automatically wrap the text to the next line when we reach at the end of the point. You see, when you are typing in a word and you continuous typing again and again, and you see automatically you move on a next line. ओके, जब भी आप किसी लाइन के एंड में पहुंचते हो आप ऑटोमेटिकली नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाते हो। दैट मीन वर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली रैप द टेक्स्ट, word automatically adjusts the text according to the page. That margin you set in your page, word arrange the text accordingly the page margin. Okay, when you reach at the end of the document, you see you automatically move in a next line. Understand? Next, third point is we also discussed in a previous class what is copying, what is moving. uh, we discuss again. Copying is to make a duplicate copy. Okay, when we copy something text or something file, you see it make duplicate copy of the selected text or selected file. Okay, and place it at another location. That means it's appear on original location, and it's also appear in another location. And when we move the file, you see the file is cut or moved from the original location and locate in a location located in a another location, locate in a another location. Okay, this is the difference between copying and moving. Copying means the file is having a both side, in original side also and another side also, and when we move the file is removed from the original location. Okay, this is also this topic we also discussed in a previous class briefly. And next is we can also add variety of shapes. You can also add shapes to in your document, including arrows, square, star, flowchart shapes, and many more. In previous class, in last class, I show you how to insert arrow, square, stars, and flowchart in your document. Okay, and second last one is you can also add border to in your text. That thing we also discussed in previous class or previous to previous class, uh, like how to add border in a text. Okay, like if you want to some text to draw attention towards any important information, you can add border on it. Okay, the other thing is also doing for this, like we bold the text, that part, the important information we underline that, and you can also add a border on it. Okay, and next is if you want to make your title decorative, you can use the word art. Word art is used to display a decorative title. ओके, मीन्स अपने टाइटल को आप बहुत डेकोरेटिव करके कर सकते हो कि वर्ड आर्ट के काफी सारे फीचर्स अवेलेबल हैं विंडोज 7 के, 7 में भी हैं, और विंडो सॉरी वर्ड 2007 एंड वर्ड 2010 में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आपके पास डिजाइन अवेलेबल हैं। उनके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपने टेक्स्ट को डिजाइन कर सकते हो और अपने टाइटल को एक डिजाइन फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो। ओके, सॉरी, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज टिक द करेक्ट। डबल क्लिकिंग ऑन द वर्ड विल सिलेक्ट, व्हेन वी डबल क्लिक ऑन अ word, the word is selected. That means the correct answer is word. Okay, डबल क्लिक ऑन अ वर्ड विल सेलेक्ट द वर्ड। अगर हम किसी वर्ड पे डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या होता है, सिर्फ वही वर्ड सेलेक्ट होता है। दैट वर्ड इज सेलेक्टेड व्हेन वी डबल क्लिक ऑन इट। ओके, दैट थिंग वी आल्सो डिस्कस इन अ प्रीवियस क्लास। Cut and copy buttons are available on which tab? Cut and copy buttons are available in home tab. The both button in a home tab. In home tab ribbon left side in clipboard group. In clipboard group have cut, copy and paste option is available. And next is dash toolbar gives quick access to common formatting commands. That thing we also discuss with the example like mini toolbar. Mini toolbar gives us quick access to common formatting. Kuch common formatting like bold, coloring and alignment, these indentation, these type common formatting available in a mini toolbar. Understand? And fourth is in Word 2010, there are four types of alignment. Like which four type of alignment? First is alignment left, alignment right, alignment center, and and next is justify. Okay, this also have the shortcut key. Alignment left is a control plus L, center is control plus E, right is control plus R, and justify is control plus J. Fifth is shape command is available under which tab? It's called insert tab. Okay, shape command is available under shape. Sorry, insert tab is shape command is available under insert tab. Next is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is selected text appear dash on the screen. When you select a word or anything in your screen that highlighted, okay, highlighted in a blue color basically. And next is dash is the shortcut command to make the text bold. The control B is the shortcut
Control
command
plus
to make
V.
the text bold. If you by default word assign the left align command. When you open your word, you see your by default your word assign the left align command. Left align is by default selected in your MS Word document. And next is in justify alignment, the dash alignment text is justify between left and right margin. It's justify. Okay, when you use the justify alignment, you see your alignment, your lines is justify from left and right. No, known line is something more extend from other side or from other side. कोई भी लाइन कोई इधर से ना नहीं निकली होगी ना कोई लाइन इस साइड से निकली होगी, बिल्कुल सेपरेट दोनों तरफ से बिल्कुल इक्वल होगा. ये होता है आपका जस्टिफाई. जब भी आप जस्टिफाई करते हो तो बोथ साइड योर मार्जिन इज इक्वल एंड योर लाइंस ऑन इक्वल साइज. Fifth is to select a paragraph, you have to click three times over the paragraph. When you click any word on in a paragraph three times, one to three, you see your paragraph is selected. Okay, this is the shortcut key how to select the paragraph. And next is dash is the shortcut command to copy the text. Which command we used for copy the text is it's
Control
control
plus
plus
C.
C. Control plus C is for copying, control plus X for cut, and control plus V plus is used for paste. Okay, and the next is answer the following question. First is what is the use of formatting text? That topic we also discussed briefly in previous class. Formatting text means making change to the text or document it to make it more attractive and beautiful. Okay, what we do in a formatting, just change the color, some word is italic, some word is bold, okay, highlighted the some part of your text, that is called formatting. Okay, and when you change something like some word, edit some word, that's called editing. Okay, the difference between formatting and editing is in formatting we only change the color or highlight or bold, that's like change the alignment, that thing we do in a formatting. And if you using the editing means you edit a line, you change something in a line or in a text. Okay, change means so change some words from to the another word, that called editing. एडिटिंग में आप कुछ वर्ड्स को चेंज करते हो और फॉर्मेटिंग में सिर्फ आप उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग करते हो, कोई वर्ड्स को चेंज नहीं करते हो. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फॉर्मेटिंग एंड एडिटिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट इज write down the difference between copying and moving. In copying, the text is copied to the new location and original location remain unchanged, while in moving text is removed from original location and appears at new location. Copying means it's when we copying a context, it's appear in both location. Okay, without any change. Okay, and when we move the content, it's removed from the original location and appear in a remove from the original location and appear in a new location. This is the cop moving, and previous one is copying. And third is how many of alignment are available in Word. There are four alignments, four types of alignment: left, right, center and justify. These are some very basic क्वेश्चन. अभी मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स को ये लर्न भी हो गए होंगे, अंडरस्टैंड बहुत इजीली हो गए होंगे, क्योंकि काफी काफी बार हमने विद प्रैक्टिकली इनको डिस्कस किया है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज what is the use of adding border. That thing we also discuss. Borders are adding to draw toward attention towards important information. Okay, this is the use of main use of border. एक टेक्स्ट के अराउंड बॉर्डर लगाने का मेन यूज क्या होता है कि हम इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन को हाईलाइट कर सके, कि उस पर आपका अटेंशन हो, उस पर आपका ध्यान जाए कि वाई द बॉर्डर ऑफ दिस लाइन यू सी. जो भी इसमें क्वेश्चन है उनको बॉर्डर कर रखा है टेक्स्ट को. दैट मीन्स इट्स फॉर सीक द अटेंशन. ओके. Rohit has typed a short paragraph on importance of computer. Okay, now he does not know how to decorate and beautify it. He wants your help in it. Tell him the various formatting option that you have studied in this chapter. अब रोहित ने एक पैराग्राफ टाइप किया इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर. उसे अपने अपने टेक्स्ट को, सॉरी अपने पैराग्राफ को ब्यूटीफाई करना है, डेकोरेट करना है. तो हाउ. एंड हमने कुछ इससे रिलेटेड चीजें पढ़ी है. फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट हमने रीड किया है, वर्ड आर्ट पढ़ा है. तो हम इसमें हम कुछ उन ऑप्शंस के नाम देंगे. लाइक यू कैन राइट वर्ड आर्ट, कॉमा बोल्ड, कॉमा इटैलिक, कॉमा अंडरलाइन, कलर द टेक्स्ट, कलर द साइज, बोल्ड, इटैलिक, underline. These words you write in this application based question. Okay.